is proving to be an amazing tool that is helping kids like me become change makers and builders of a better planet. How? By becoming global citizens, which is so important in a diverse yet connected world like ours. I get to travel the world within the comfort of my home and learn about various countries, cultures, places, cuisines, languages, games, geography, art, and lots more through their subscription boxes filled with content, free goodies, and hands-on fun activities. I'm so ready to start my adventure for this month. It's time for a Kenya safari. Jambo, that's hello in Swahili. Oh wow! I'd be exploring the African wildlife. I love wildlife. And I'd be meeting the tribes of Kenya. And also understand the concept of tectonic plates through the Great Rift Valley. I'm so excited! Create your own beaded wristband. The Maasai people wear this. I'm surely going to do this activity. Build your own safari binoculars. How cool is this? And did you know that these come with different lenses? This is Shishima. It's one of Kenya's oldest board games. I'm going to play this with my mom. Lastly, we have this keychain here. And it has a cute lion made on it wearing a cap. And the mess mat for the mommies. Thank you so much, Learnocrate, for sending me this super fun box that's helping me grow into a culturally aware person and learn so much.